started falling in Wigan tonight, they were ready for it. This council depot has stockpiled thousands of tons of grit and salt.
We've probably got about 12 days worth of resilience from full snow, so we do about 4 runs a day, and we can probably cover about 12 days.
Out on the roads tonight, John Barton, driving one of 11 gritters in the Wigan Borough.
You know, when you take them to the few months where it's just not makes out and take centre. What's the worst winter you can remember? Like 2 years ago. Oh, when we all ran out of grit and so. Yeah, that one, yeah. You know, have enough this time? Yeah, we should do, yeah.
So here in Wigan they say they're well prepared, but what about the rest of the region? Well, Manchester City Council tell us that they've got enough salt and grit to last for 40 days. Lancashire County Council have 33,000 tonnes of the stuff and a fleet of 49 gritters. In Liverpool, they've invested in snow blowers to try and keep pavements and walkways clear. And in Cumbria, they've enlisted 70 so-called snow champions, volunteers who said they'll turn out with shovels and spades to keep the pavements clear. And the council is providing them with insurance just in case anything untoward's happened. So, the snow has started tonight. Tomorrow morning will be the real test. Dave Guest, BBC North West Tonight, Wigan.
We know it's coming. Where is it? Here's Eno with all the details.
Dave Guest was right. Definitely the snow is coming. Yes, hello, good evening. Already it's snowing in many places. Just light, fluffy snow even at the moment. But still, we have an amber warning for this snow. This amber warning is valid from 3 a.m. tonight into most of tomorrow. And you can see on the chart behind me where the amber region is. This is where we're going to see the most snow. Elsewhere, still between 2 to 10 centimetres of snow likely for tomorrow. So for tonight, really very cold, just some snow flurries around. It's a bit breezy as well, temperatures dropping well below freezing. And then as Dave said in his report, we start off tomorrow morning possibly with some travel disruption because we're going to see the heavy snow possibly from first thing. It starts in the south of the region because we have the red warning in Wales, so the snow drifting in from here. And as the winds really pick up through most of tomorrow, we're going to see some blizzards, some drifting snow because of the heavy winds. The snow showers piling in through most of tomorrow. Take care if you're out and about on the roads. Temperatures down to freezing and some more snow on Saturday.
You know, we're armed. If you're out and about in the morning, your BBC local radio station is the best place to get details on any travel disruption or indeed any school closures. BBC Radio Stoke and Radio Derbyshire as well, not on that list. Whatever you're doing, have a peaceful night, have a safe journey in the morning, and thank you very much for watching. Good night from the late team.
Hello there. We've already seen some fresh snow today, but the main heavier snow is arriving from the southwest tonight and into tomorrow. How much snow? Well, most of the UK is covered by warnings of one colour or another, so at least 5 centimetres, 2 inches of snow in the amber warning areas, 10 centimetres more over the hills. The main focus, though, across parts of South Wales, 20, 30 centimetres with blizzards and drifting too. The wetter weather pushing up from the southwest, then initially rain will readily turn to snow as it hits the cold air. First of all, southwest England, then Wales, and then Northern Ireland. Ahead of it, still some pockets of light and snow, and snow showers are feeding in off the North Sea, so already cold and frosty. It's going to be very icy out there, and things won't improve as we head into the rush hour tomorrow morning. Now, I think across Cornwall it could be a little more rain than snow here, but for the rest of the southwest, a lot of snow to come. Very tricky over the M5. It's for the heads of the valleys that we have that red warning from the Met Office. Some places could be cut off by the snow by the end of the day. The stronger winds pushing the snow northwards across Wales, pushing it into Northern Ireland. Early in the morning, most of the snow is in the south, and most of it will be over the hills for the time being. Not too much fresh snow falling across Scotland, but the strengthening wind will start to introduce some showers from off the North Sea. Similar frosty and icy start here across northern England after recent snowfalls, and a few snow showers are coming into East Anglia. For the southeast of England, at 8 o'clock in the morning, most places still dry at this stage, but if you're travelling in from the west through this snow, it's going to be very tricky as the snow works its way towards the London area and sets in across the southeast of England. The snow also developing across East Anglia, developing more widely across the Midlands. A lot of snow to come in Wales, turning snowier in Northern Ireland, and further north in the strengthening winds, we'll see more frequent snow showers coming into northeast England and eastern Scotland. Very few places escaping a but for most of us it's a cold and snowy day. And the snow and the showers will continue actually during tomorrow night and into Saturday, particularly further north. Could see quite a lot of snow across some eastern parts of Northern Ireland, then the focus turns to eastern Scotland and northeast England, where the winds are stronger, fewer lighter showers to the south. So looking ahead to the weekend, then it will remain bitterly cold and a lot of the snow will be freezing, so very icy conditions, more snow showers to come this weekend, possibly returning to the southeast of England on Sunday. So we are expecting some travel disruption. There may well be some power disruption as well, possible school closures. Keep up to date with all the changes on BBC Local Radio, and all the warnings are online.